everybody, welcome to my channel. JV Glossinger here. I'm so glad you're stopping by. I appreciate it as always. Today I got a different one. As you know, if you've been watching the last couple videos, I've been doing a lot of reviews on tablets and I'm starting to vlog a little bit. And if you saw one of my videos, one of my B-roll cameras broke. And so today I'm going to do an unboxing and go through a box that came in from BH Photo, which is great. As you can see, I already started to rip into it. I got all excited. And we're going to move this microphone over to this new camera, which I'm really excited about. I sent my other one in. It's over in California getting fixed. I forget who the name of the company is. They actually just called me. It'll be back in 2 weeks. So now I'm going to have a couple B-roll cameras so I can really work on the quality of the videos here, which I'm excited about. But we're going to get into this, and as you know, I would love to have you subscribe and get involved in the channel. You can comment. It's a place for good energy, reviews. I do some guitar stuff sometimes. I go over some of the things that are happening as a kind of a podcaster that's done 4,000 episodes. I just have fun. And if anything, I give you amazing energy. I'm going to try to give you some positive energy as one of my mentors, Johnny Carson, helped you forget about the day a little bit and let you into my world a little bit. So to let you into my world, let's go ahead and get open this box and see what we got in here. We have 4 packages here and another package here and a receipt and the box is empty. So what do we have in here? We have the Sony Rx100 Mark 7 and the handle and the kit, which I'm excited about. We'll get that out in a minute. We have the SR-XM1 microphone. This is a little tiny microphone that you can kind of, it works with this instead of using this big Rode. So if I want a small kit and take it with me for vlogging, I got that. And then I have this Sony handle that goes on the camera. Don't know if I'll use this. I used it on my other one and I really liked it because it gives you grip. This thing's so slippery. And then we have a SanDisk 64 gig, add another card, which you can never have too many of these. So let's go ahead and get this out and we'll see what we got. I'm not going to get too crazy because I want to take it outside and go through it, but we have the Sony Rx100 camera in here first that comes out first. That is this, and as you know, you guys have seen these a million times. The Rx100, it is this tiny little camera. We got tons of stuff in here, tons of little booklets. Let's see, here is the little bad boy, and here it is. I love this camera. I just sent mine back, so I'm glad to have a new one here. And here it is, the little Sony. So the cool thing is, and I don't know if because I'll be using this on this little adhesive kind of handle that helps hold on because it slides off really good. It slides, like, I mean, it's real slippery, right? It's real slippery. So this adds a little bit to it, and I have it on my Mark 5, which is my other camera, but I don't have that here, like I said, because I sent it in. The key thing was this thing is it has this. That is the audio jack, and that is the most important thing because now we have this little microphone. Let's go ahead and open this up, and we will get in there. And I don't have an upper camera, so I can't show you the upper view. But here's what's so cool with this little mic. We plug this on, you put the little windscreen on it. Let's put the little windscreen on. And here's what's cool. You have a really awesome mini, ooh, I like this, vlogging system. Check that out. How cool is that? We're going to go out and try it. So that's one microphone that you can go with. The other thing that this came with, see, we get a whole box of goodies here, is this thing. And I've been wondering how this thing works, so I'm anxious to get it. Another battery. We love our batteries. And that is, it's the handle. Okay, this is with the hot shoe, and I believe it's for this thing. Let's get this open. And that is a case. And this is what I've been looking for. And this is the vlogging handle. So that's a little vlogging handle that goes with the camera. The camera fits on here, and this can plug in. And now what's cool is this can actually be a tripod, right? So we're all set. So what I'm going to do I'm going to set this up 2 ways, and we'll go and try out the camera as a vlogger, and then we will be back. So I'm going to get everything set up, the camera, the mics, 2 different mics. We're ready to go. We're cooking. Let me get a battery in this thing. We'll do some video with it. Let's go do a test. All right, so we're going to go do the test with it. This is the Sony RX100 Mark 7 with the microphone jack. So cool. So we're going to go do it. Let's go do a couple tests, and then we'll be back. All right, we're off. Okay, guys, I want to give this a shot. I'm here in the office. I'm going to go for a little walk through the house. This is with the Rode VideoMicro. I'm switching hands there. Sorry about that. See how the color changes. This is with no setups. I'm in continuous autofocus with the iFocus eye tracker, and then not really messing with anything. This is just totally just shooting on regular auto everything, just out of the box. And then I'm using the Rode VideoMicro for the microphone. So we'll try this. Let's go for a quick walk. Let's walk outside. I'll do this thing with the microphones and then without, so we can see how it works. Get outside. Let's go out. Hear the door. Go out back here. Look at the golf course. Let's see how it looks today. Okay, we'll give that a shot. Neo wants to come out. There's Neo. Are you coming out? You gonna help with the video today? Okay, come on out. We're gonna go change microphones. Okay, we're heading in to go change microphones, and then we're gonna give it a test on the audio and video quality. So that is with the Rode VideoMicro. Now we're gonna switch to the little one, which is this one. We're gonna give that a shot. All right, so let's try this one. Okay, off we go. This is the little one now, and we'll see how this microphone works as I'm going. Again, I'm not doing outside tests. You'll be able to see that a bunch as we go. I'm just kind of going through, walking through to kind of give you a different view using the handle here, which is kind of cool. This is with a really little microphone, and it works pretty good. So let's see. Let's go all the way through the house, and then we'll unplug it and go the other way. Neil, this is so exciting, isn't it? Neo is so excited by this test. Okay, so now we'll go outside and we'll see the colors. Again, full auto, which is how I shoot. I don't want to do a bunch of post-production. It's just not me. It's easier for me just to get out and just run and gun. And this is a great camera for that because it's so tiny and the form factor is so awesome. And in the house, I'm sure it's going to sound really good. And it's going to work really good. So we're going to go up here and then we will do the same route without the microphone. Okay, so we're here back in the office. All right, and under good lighting, good lighting, good lighting, lighting. Really nice. Okay, so now we're going to do it without the microphone. Okay, guys, now we're on the just the camera onboard microphone. I got it up to level 26 on the back, so that way you can hear everything. I was running at about a level 1 or 2 with the Rode and then the Saramonic, I believe it's called. I'll put the link in the description down below, but now you can hear it kind of with just the microphone on the camera, so you can kind of get a kind of an idea. Oh, there's Neil. Neil's chilling again. Okay, and we'll come outside. Kind of hear the birds. I don't know if you can hear the birds. And back to me. Definitely a beautiful day here in South Florida as we're testing the camera. And I will be outside a lot. Obviously, you know, I golf. And we're going to start building this channel up and doing more. So I'm kind of excited about that. But I want to test this new camera because the cool thing about this camera, you can throw it in your pocket. I mean, you can just take it anywhere. And with that little microphone, it really gives you a mobile vlogging setup that's just awesome. Or just a mobile camera setup, right? That's just amazing. So I want to try this. So there you go. There it is without any microphone at all. So it's pretty cool, and the handle's pretty cool. This thing, it's pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, let's get back to the other camera. Well, for vlogging, wow, I can't believe, I think this is just so awesome. This little camera, I haven't really heard it yet, but this little mic, when you plug this in there, what a neat little combo. And that's the Saramonic. I just got to make sure I read that right, because I don't want to give you guys the wrong thing here. It is the... And I'll put it in the better. Yeah, I think Saramonic is how you say it. $25 mic, man, really works well with this. And then you can just carry it. And I got to be honest with you, I kind of like the handle and the Rode. microphone, and obviously in real windy conditions this is where it's going to work, and I'll be doing a lot of videos. So one of the things I like to do when I do see somebody do like a camera thing and an unboxing is come back and watch their videos later, because then you'll see when they're using it or not. And I'll make sure in the videos that I put this, because I'm going to do 3 to 5 videos a week. Some are on the Remarkable 2. Some will be like unboxing cameras and the gear I use. Some will be vlogs. There's just a lot of fun stuff I'm doing, like I said, and hopefully it's a little entertaining and maybe helps you out in some way, or maybe you just like to watch to see how like doing all types of content. Not that this has not been my content. The podcast has been my content for years and years and years. I'm just now getting into this, but it's definitely a fun journey. And it is. It's the same shape. It's the same body as my Mark V, so I'm used to shooting with it. And as soon as the Mark V comes in 2 weeks now, I'll have 2 B-roll cameras. But the addition of the mic really allows me to take this out and have that other camera available to me. And I got a lot to learn about this. So as always, if you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Got any suggestions on videos you'd like to see, leave them below. And of course, that subscribe and hitting that alarm bell, that just helps me as we're starting to produce more and more content. And like I said, thank you so much, because we made our first $100 on YouTube. That's so awesome. So as always, thank you for watching, and until the next one, we will see you later with the new Sony. Excited. Have a great day.